welcome back to the Mountain Shadows Arts and Craft video. Today we have a fun project. We're going to be painting with forks and we're going to make fireworks. So here's one that I made. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, so in the package you received, you got some blue and some red paint. You also received a fork and construction paper to do your fireworks on. So let's begin. So you can start with blue or red, it doesn't really matter. And then you'll notice that the more you dip, eventually you're going to wind up with a little bit of purple, but that's okay. So you just dip the fork and you want to start in the middle and go out. So it looks like this. So you see that? So you're gonna do some strokes. You start in the middle and then go like this. And just go all around it. And then you're gonna do the red right on top or in between. So let's go ahead and see how it turns out. So centered. And you might have to dip several times. And then it depends how big you want this firework to be or to look. And so here's an example. You see? Now I'm going to do the red. And unfortunately, I didn't get a napkin, so I'm going to try to get as much as the blue off of it. And we're going to dip. We're going to go back to the center, and I'm going to shoot in between like this till you start making that beautiful firework. Just keep going. So you see this? And if you have glitter at home, you can put glitter on it before it dries up, the paint, and then move on to another firework. You can make it smaller, or you can make it as big, or you can make several of them. So I'm gonna make one more, just so that you can see the finished product. I'm gonna go red now. I'm gonna start with red on my second firework. And I'm gonna go down to the corner a little bit more. I'm gonna shoot out. Almost like a fan. Okay, then I'm gonna dip into my blue one. Try not to have too much on it. And I'm gonna go from the center outward. And it just makes a really beautiful display of fireworks. And like I always say, there's no right or wrong. The thing is to just enjoy it. And you see? There's your fireworks. And if you want, you can add more in the corners or coming out from the corner, shooting up. And that's our project for today. Enjoy it. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time at the Mountain Shadows Arts and Craft video.